is Debbie with the Food Prepping Channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix spaghetti in your Instant Pot, and this is going to be very quick. I hope. Dummy me started off first thing messing up. I have my Instant Pot, and I had this. I had just rinsed it out because I hadn't used my Instant Pot in a few days, and so I wanted to go on and rinse it out. Had it in the dish drainer, and dummy me poured oil down inside here to saute my onions and my pepper, and so thank goodness I caught it. I hadn't poured in but maybe a teaspoon of oil before it hit me. Thank goodness that I did not have the Instant Pot thing in here, this in here, that I was pouring it in there. So I had to stop it real fast and cut it off, and I hope it's okay. I tried to get all of the oil out. I hope I did. But I've got it on now on saute. I'm going to go on and pour some oil, and I've got the right thing in here this time. I'm going to pour some oil in here. Probably about a tablespoon and a half. And here I am. I don't know what's going on with me, but I really am losing it lately. All right, so here I've got a half. This is a half of a large onion, and I'm going to go on and put this in here. Yeah, it's hot, so hopefully it's still working. And then I've got a yellow bell pepper that I'm going to cut up and put in here with the onions. And I will bring you back. Uh-oh, I see. Look, right there. Yep, oil. So oil leaked out underneath it. So now I got to clean that up. So thank God it came out. All right, I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, as you can see down in here, I let the onion get a little bit browner than I wanted to while I was cleaning up the oil out from underneath the Instant Pot. All right, so in here I've got a half of a large onion. I've got one yellow bell pepper. I'm going to put in 1 can of, let me get it turned around here, pieces and stems mushrooms. All right, that's in there. All right, I've got to go get the ground chuck out of the refrigerator. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I've got, whoa, dropped the whole bowl in here. I'm telling y'all, I've lost all strength in my arms and stuff. All right, in here I've got, daggone it. I'm having a hard time getting this ground chucked out of this bowl. Okay. Yay! Finally. It sucks getting old, y'all. It really does suck getting old. I mean, I'm glad that I've made it this long, but it really does suck. All right, so I've got the ground beef in here. I have got about a cup of water that I'm going to put in here. And then I'm going to put my spices. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of onion powder in here. And there's 1. And here's 2. Y'all know I cannot stand garlic. I try so hard to like it, but I just can't. But just for the sake of everybody, you can use as much garlic as you want to, but I'm only using 1 teaspoon That's it. Italian seasoning. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. There's 1. There's 2. Alright. Now let's see if I can get these. I've got 1 jar of Great Value flavored with meat pasta sauce. And I can't get it open. Right, hold on, I got these little gripper things right here. Yes! Wow, these little things work amazing. These little gripper things that I got at Dollar Tree. Alright. There's that. I'm going to turn it upside down so I can get every bit of it out while I open this one. And then I have this jar of Great Value chunky Italian garden pasta sauce, and I'm going to put that one in here. Alright, let me see if I can... Alright. And my spoon won't go down in here, so I'm just going to turn it upside down. Alright. These are going in the trash. Alright, now I'm using, let me get a paper towel. I am using just regular Great Value spaghetti for this. And I've got some in another box in here. I'm going to use that first and then put some of this in there. This is the Muller's spaghetti. And when I use spaghetti, I always break my spaghetti in half. I don't know why, but I do. Oh, gosh, I almost didn't have the strength to do that. Alright, so I'm going to get a little bit more out of this box of the Great Value spaghetti. Probably about 1/3 of this box. Yep. Alright, and I'm going to break this in half. Put this in here. And let me see how this is going. You just want your noodles to be right under. I've got to push it down in here so the sauce is just covering it in your Instant Pot. Alright. I didn't put any salt and pepper in here. Shucks. Oh, shoot. Alright, I'm going to have to put some in here. I'm going to put a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. Alright. And I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Coarse ground kosher salt, I think is what it is. Right, there's 1. And there's 2. Alright, now let me stir this up a little bit. Turn the saute off. All right, now I'm going to put the lid on here. Make sure that it's on sealing, not venting. I'm going to, let me get y'all down. Of course, Instant Pots are different, so yours might not say the same that mine does. But I'm going to go manual. I'm going to come down to 7 minutes. And I'm going to let it go from there. And then when, at the end of that 7 minutes, I'm going to do an instant release. And we're going to see how this spaghetti goes. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay, it's stopped. So I'm going to push cancel now so that it won't be warming. Okay, you can see it's, the pressure's up. It's already gone off. I'm going to let now the pressure comes out this time. So, okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so here's the spaghetti. I've got some Parmesan cheese, just Kraft Parmesan cheese on it. And I've got my butter bread. I just like, which if I wanted to, I could have fixed garlic toast or whatever. But I just like butter bread. And my grandson and my daughter, well, I put butter on mine. They'll just open theirs and put spaghetti on it and eat the bread like this. All right, so I've got a piece of, let me get a piece of ground beef here. I've got a little bit of the Italian sausage in here. Not very much, but there's my bite. It is cooked perfectly. Perfectly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my food prepping Facebook page, my Twitter. I need to add my Instagram. My Instagram is Debbie Food Prepping. And I also have links below to things that you can purchase on Amazon that I use in my own kitchen. And so I hope you have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.